Hey there, this is John with DefensiveDrivingCourse.com with another answer to your Texas defensive driving questions. Number 38. Do you take defensive driving before your court date? The answer to this question depends entirely on what you mean by court date. The citation you just received has a date on it by which you must appear. The word appear here means that you have until that day to contact the court to communicate how you would like to deal with this ticket. Do you want to plead innocence and fight it? Or do you want to plead guilty and pay it? Or would you like to see if there's a way to get it dismissed? By the way, this appearance may not involve you actually appearing. Depending on where you received your ticket, you may be able to appear by phone or email. I said all of that to say this. If this is the court date you are talking about, then the answer is no. Taking defensive driving before contacting the court will not turn out the way you'd like. It's like when you were a kid. Mother is almost always going to say yes on the playground, but unless you first ask, "Mother, may I?" you're going to have to go back to the start. On the other hand, if you mean court date, as in the date the court gave you to complete the course, then the answer is a most emphatic yes. Failure to do so will result in your ticket being added to your driving record, the fine immediately coming due, and much regret born out of the hours you wasted working on an unfinished course that will now do you no good. If you need a defensive driving course, what are you waiting for? Click the link below to get started right away. The longer you shop, the longer it will be before you're finished. If you have more questions and would like to talk to a human, call our helpline. If you want to keep poking around on the interwebs, I might be seeing you again. Oh yeah, I got answers. Thanks for watching. Glad we could help.